So today we're going to finish up the rear brake pads on the E90, and then I'll show you another part I have for the E92 build. So I'm going to get right to it. Loosen up the lug nuts in the back and then finish up the caliper. I was just too tired and lost light.
That's good.
I'm gonna get back to the caliper once I get a jack stand under there. And as you guys can see, here's the caliper I just had sitting on the ground before. So now it's suspended. But I don't want that, so. Next, I'm going to need to compress this piston so that I can get the new pads in there, and then I'll clip this into the new pads and get it on the rotor. Alright, so now I got that all the way compressed, so I should be able to take the C-clamp off and get the rear pad on there. I got the new pad here, and here's the old one, so you can see the difference. So I'm gonna put the new one in now. Alright, now I am going to get the other one on. You can see how it fits here. Two guide bolts in. Definitely need an extension. Alright, so as you can see, I got both of the guide pins started. So I'm going to tighten those up now. I have to put the sensor back in. This is where the sensor plugs into right here. Vibration reducing clip back in here. I know this is everyone's favorite part. Alright, so the car's back on the ground. That takes care of one side of the rear brake pads. I'll do the other side myself. No sense in showing you guys, it's just the same thing. But thanks for making it to the end of the video. And like I promised, now based on the size of the box and the logo, you probably already have some guesses.
That's good.
That should do the trick, huh? Oh yeah. 7-inch VRSF intercooler. Definitely happy with how this looks. And I actually picked up a different front bumper to use for the coupe, so I am going to show that to you guys now. Definitely excited to do an install video on that. Thanks for sticking around. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Yeah, I'll catch you later.